So we had a peach tree that was in the way, and my husband, that's attempt 1. So that was actually attempt 2. He started without me and then came to see if I wanted to make a video. He's so sweet. And so this is attempt 3. He wrapped it around excessively difficult. Yeah, go honey. Oh, nice. Okay. So attempt 4 has it wrapped around like 3 or 4 times. And then we're going to try this again.
If I had a chain, it would bite into the tree.
He said if he had a chain, it would bite into the tree. And of course, if he had the tractor here, he could have just pushed it out. But that just requires too much time to go get it. Load it up. Hook up the trailer. Here we go. I don't know. I think it's just going to fall off again because, yeah, it's just... oh my. I wasn't trying to laugh at him. But he said what he's going to do is actually just turn around and pull the other direction. I think we should just have the chain because maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. I'll tell you what was really difficult was getting out the locust posts. Not posts, but roots. They make really nice driftwood though. And when you have walnut trees and you don't pick up your walnuts and the squirrels get them, they plant walnut trees everywhere. Like, we can dig that up and it'll survive, but I have so many, I really don't know. This is one of those recycling bins that I got for like maybe $1 or $2 at one of the auctions, online auctions. And I'm using these for kindling. So I'm taking the branches, cutting up small pieces, and then this will be kindling after it dries. And I think I have like 6 or 7 of these already. Okay, so it's wrapped up again, and we're going to go the other direction and see how this works. Boy, that garden really needs weeded. Not weeded, pruned. Here we go. Oh my. Well, all right. Okay. So that worked perfectly. Well, not perfectly. It worked well. Wow, look at that beautiful dirt. Oh, and there's those ants. Remember I showed you before? Where'd they go? Where'd he go? Where are you crawling? There you go. It's like a very pale red ant. I can't smell him though. But then there's all these brown ants in there that you probably can't. Oh yeah, you can see them because I can. But right there, that one red dude. I should have been an entomologist. Alrighty, are you going to try to pull some more? I think we could just cut the roots, don't you think?
Huh?
We could just cut the roots if you don't want to.
Yeah, this last pull.
Okay. He's been working his butt off all day, and it's getting dark, and he's starting to rush just to get done. He needs his break. Oh my gosh, can you smell that? Can you smell that? I can remember I told you I smell these ants all the time. They're not getting evicted, technically. They can stay there if they choose to. Okay, so he just doesn't want to cut the roots. He wants to just make one last pull. I know this is a really boring video, but it's our adventure. Uh-oh. Oh my. I'm backing up. Oh, everything broke. It's good. It's good. Where are you going? He said bye. I guess he's just going to drive it over the hill. Hey, I want that for driftwood. I guess I can't have it. No, I don't anyway. Oh, this is such beautiful dirt. But so what the plan is to extend the garden a little bit. But then again, I'm not really sure I wanted to do a garden next year because next year is the transition year of when we should not be here anymore. But how many times have we thought that, right? So this tree needs to come out next. It's been dead for years. And then we have this dead apple tree, and this apple tree is not dead, needs some severe more pruning. And then this is that ailanthus tree. I didn't do a video of my treatment of it, but I learned how to kill them. If you cut them down, they just send shoots up, clones from the root. So now when the after summer when the top growth has stopped and the tree is storing carbohydrates in the roots for the following year, you just do this all the way around it and spray weed killer in there. And then what it does is it kills the tree, but also at the roots. So that tree should be able to be cut down next year without sending up more shoots. But sorry about that mess. That is my, what is that, 1-inch PVC that I used as a beautiful trellis. It was amazing. I actually made a house. I'd like to grow my vines on and stuff out of that, with a peaked roof, ceiling. Oh, it was beautiful. Anyway, that's it for the day. It's getting dusk here, and we are getting ready to turn in. So, let me know how you do things around your homestead if you're pulling tree stumps out. We could have also just cut it down to the ground and just left it in the ground. It wouldn't have bothered me, but my husband's somewhat of a perfectionist and wanted to do it that way. But thanks for watching, and be blessed, everyone. Oh my goodness, I thought we were done. I was getting ready to go in. I'm all bit up. My ankles are mosquito heaven. But he wanted to take this one out. That other one was a peach. This was also a peach. And this one was just growing way too close to the playhouse here. And then this one also needs taken out too, because these peaches that we have, they also spring up everywhere. They're delicious peaches. Yeah, I'm ready, babe. Delicious peaches. Oh, first try? Okay. They get the size of, those peaches go to the size of maybe a golf ball, between a golf ball and a baseball. But nothing too much, flat. Oh my, first try. Whoa, he was so right. And once again, look at this beautiful dirt. Oh, yeah, that's right. I forgot I had daffodils planted around there. Well, I know what I'll be doing tomorrow. The squirrels don't eat all these. Alrighty. Now I really am done. Wow, is that pretty dirt. Okay. How about a double blessing? Be blessed, everyone.